Hi, Andrew. Thank you so much for joining us for the speaker video call. And thank you so much for accepting the speaker invite for the API Testing Summit on May 8th by Agile Testing Alliance. Welcome on board. And would you please like to tell us about yourself, about you, and about Automation Panda for sure?
Sure. Well, thank you for inviting me. My name is Andy Knight. I am the Automation Panda. I'm a software engineer and test who builds solutions and testing problems. I've been doing this whole testing automation thing for about a decade.
Mm-hmm.
I graduated from RIT in 2010 and been doing it ever since. Right now, I work for a company called Precision Lender, is a
Okay.
Q2, and I'm the lead software engineer and test there. We've got a team, great team, love it. I've done stuff with Python, C#, Java, JavaScript, you name it.
Sure.
That's a little bit about me.
Okay, so you're a polyglot, as in terms of programming language.
I suppose.
Okay. Any specific language is your favorite?
Python.
Okay, that's great to
Very
know.
much.
Okay. So would you like to tell us about the topic you have chosen about the nightmares of test data? And it's a very interesting topic. I saw that you have divided test data into various formats. Would you like to give the audience a brief aspects into what they can look up into your talk?
Sure, absolutely. Test data is often an overlooked aspect of testing and automation. So many times when we think about testing, we think about like the test cases,
Mm-hmm.
the procedures we have to follow, as well as the test automation code, which is the things we have to write to get the thing to run. But test data, meaning either the data in the system or the data you have to plug into your test cases and test automation, is just as important of a concern. And if you don't handle test data well, your whole testing effort could end up in the trash.
Sure.
Right. So my talk, what I do is I take a systematic approach to looking at what test data is.
Okay.
Right. We work through the different types. We try to categorize them. We try to come up with strategies how to handle each type.
Okay.
Knowing it's a battle, if you can identify this is this kind of thing, this is that kind of thing, then you can know best ways to handle it, or maybe avoid it.
Okay.
I'm hoping that my talk can shed light on this very, very important aspect of the testing work that we do.
Yeah, sure. I'm sure it would do that. You would definitely justify this topic you have chosen. And I also wanted to ask you about that you did a talk about Boa Constructor, which is the .NET platform, which you told us about in the Selenium Summit. I just wanted to ask you, can people use it for their API testing as well?
Yes, indeed. Boa Constrictor, the .NET screenplay pattern,
Okay.
can be used for both web UI interactions as well as REST API interactions.
Okay,
We have
that's great to know.
support for both. If you go to the GitHub project, we also have a GitHub Pages generated doc site where we have a full tutorial on how to do both web UI and REST API.
Okay, that's great to know. I'm sure people will find that very useful when they're looking up to it. So how has been working from home treating you? Are you still working from home or has the office started there?
So we at my company are still working from home.
Okay.
We're working from home for over a year now. I can't wait to go back to the office. In fact, tomorrow I get my second COVID vaccine.
Okay.
So hopefully summer things can go back to normal.
Okay.
I miss my coworkers. I miss my friends.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay. Good to know the vaccination process is going strong there, and happy for you to get the second shot. Good. Glad to know that. Okay, Andrew, thank you so much for joining us as a speaker, and we look forward for your talk on the May 8th at the API Testing Summit by Agile Testing Alliance. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I look forward to it.